Be ready for our legal's first dictation, final part. Get ready and start. On the lines of the National Judicial Academy and State Judicial Academies, national level academies be also set up where they can meet 2-3 times in a year and update their knowledge and research skills by mutual interaction. Stop para. The most of the law colleges in the country are depending on state funding. Stop. It is the task of the state to ensure that the law colleges are provided proper infrastructure, good faculty, library and research tools and grants for research, etc. Stop. Unless we improve the basic quality of majority of the law schools, we cannot expect to prepare the roadmap for institutional approach for world-class legal education in India. Stop para. All law teachers must be given at least the salary and prerequisites as envisaged by the 6th Pay Commission. Stop. They may also be permitted to work on research projects and earn extra money subject to reasonable restrictions. Stop. Unless we are able to give good service conditions, it would not be possible to attract a good talent towards teaching. Stop. They should get liberal travel grants to attend conferences, seminars and so to update their knowledge. Stop. They should also be given liberty to generously purchase books, subscribe periodicals. Stop para. The law teachers must be encouraged to carry out serious research apart from teaching. Stop. The promotions should depend on the quality of research paper published in various national and international journals. Stop. The promotions should never be guaranteed on the basis of length of service and teachings. Stop para. There must be periodically assessment of teachers both about the quality of their teaching and the research and published work. Stop. The continuance in the teaching and further promotional avenues must be based entirely on these twin considerations. Stop para. Periodically, the teachers must be sent to judicial academies or other institutions to upgrade their teaching and research skills. Stop. To acquire excellence, constant efforts are required. Stop para. The Bar Council may also consider proposal of permitting the law teachers to practice law at least on behalf of the litigants of legal and clinics associated with the law schools. Stop para. The teachers must be given liberty to carve out the new courses in the curriculum. Stop. Our emphasis, which used to be course pertaining to legal profession in India, has to be changed to global perspective. Stop. After globalization, it is imperative that we change the law courses accordingly. Stop para. The emphasis should be given on logical application of principles of law on the facts of a particular case. Stop. There should be greater emphasis on ground group discussion and short original papers. Stop. Focus should be on original and new ideas. Stop. For example, law and magic, where one can say that intellectual property rights are totally irrelevant for a magician. Stop. No magician ever goes for getting his new ideas patented. Stop. That would virtually destroy his art. Stop. The students should be encouraged to think out of the books and explore the application of legal principles to everyday situation. Stop para. If these suggestions are considered in right earnest, then we can expect our law colleges and law schools to become world's class legal education. Stop overall.